your girl Celeste Renee, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a fan of Jeffree Star, just know I've been watching a lot of his videos, so obsessed. Anyways, this is officially what week are we on, y'all? This is week 4. I'm late. I was supposed to upload this on Monday. It is Wednesday. And I'm recording this on Wednesday, but it's not even gonna be uploaded till tomorrow, which is Thursday. So I really need to get my life, y'all. But I'm trying. I'm really trying to get this adulting thing under control, but it's a lot. My phone is about to die. I forgot, God, when I did my video last week, I didn't even show y'all my receipts. And y'all know I always show my receipts. So I was like, ooh. I'm glad nobody called me out on it. I was like, ooh, these people gonna run me for filth, honey. But nobody said anything. So I was like, I don't have to go off on anybody this week. Yay. Now I'm playing. I don't even respond to haters because I'm like, y'all are fools. Anyways, isn't that just a lovely way to start a video? So guys, it is officially week 4. Well, we're technically on week 5 right now. I'm just uploading late, but we just completed week 4. And guess how much weight I lost, guys? 39 pounds. No, I didn't. I lost 0.4 pounds. I know, right? It's a joke, y'all. I lost 0.4 pounds. But actually, I'm not even upset with myself because my body fat percentage has went down a lot. So I lost 0.4 pounds. I keep saying that. As I said in the last video, I was on my period this week, so I really wasn't expecting any weight loss. I was actually expecting a weight gain. I have some ice cream right here, guys. This is Enlighten ice cream. It's brownie to keto. If you're on keto, this is a really good brand. It's 100 calories for the whole, is it for the whole thing? For half, but it's really good. I literally just had a scoop of it and I meant to put it back in the freezer, but I forgot. See how it's trying to tip me? I want to show y'all too. See? Actually, I lied. I had 2 scoops, but that's all I'm gonna have. I'm gonna put it back in the freezer. But anyways, back to the video. I just got back from the gym, so I'm tired. That's why I look so rough. Literally makeup. I leave work and go to boxing class, so I literally have like makeup. Anyways, y'all don't even care about that. So anyways, I lost 0.4 pounds this week. Altogether, I have lost 5.1 pounds. Not cute. We still have 2 more weeks left, so hopefully, y'all, I'm really hoping to lose 10 pounds in these next 2 weeks. But clearly, my body fat is trying to play me. But anyways, like I was saying, although the poundage hasn't been coming off, the body fat percentages have been going down, y'all. So let's see. Last week, I started at 44.7%. And the way I'm getting my body fat percentages is because I have a Fitbit scale and it does your weight and your body fat. So I don't know how accurate it is. I really want to get the handheld ones, but they're sold out everywhere. So I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, let me continue. So last week 3.3. So that was last Sunday. I was at 4.47% in body fat. And today I'm at 41, I said 4.4. I was at 44.7% body fat. And then today, when I weighed in, I was at 41.9. And that's literally been the lowest like I've been since before. So you guys know, like this summer I had started keto and had lost a lot of weight. And then when Christmas time came around, I had gained a few pounds. So this, getting back down to 41.9 is the lowest I've been since like I was consistent for those 4 months when I had lost to 40 pounds. So I'm really happy that I'm getting back to that because sometimes you don't see weight loss, but you see fat loss, body fat loss, and you look better. Like I already tell, like I look a lot better. Like my body is like, first off, can we talk about these collarbones? Like collarbones is coming in, excuse the band-aid. I got dip, y'all, on my nails for the first time. And I guess you're not supposed to, well, this is the second time. The first time I had them on for 2 weeks and I got sick of the color, so I changed it. This time I got white, and this is the 3rd week, and they're like growing, and I don't know, I guess you're supposed to keep them in for 2 weeks. I don't know. If y'all know, let me know. Because this one has like popped off, and so I had to put a band-aid on it because I don't have time to get my nails done until this weekend and go into boxing class and pop. Ooh, and her face is slimming. Did y'all see that? Let me look from the side because you know. Y'all let me know because I can't see. Y'all let me know if I got a double chin or if it's going down because I had a double chin. I can't really see because I'm looking for top. Anyways, that's super random. I don't know what I'm doing to do. But yes. Oh, let me show you something else. If you're also on keto and you're looking for some chips, these on all the keto blogs I follow, they say they're really good and they're good on low carb. I've never had them before. Baked corn and cactus chips. Y'all already know I do all my shopping at H-E-B, so don't even play. You already know. I just literally came from the grocery store because I had to get some stuff. I needed some creamer because y'all know I started working last week and whew, she needs a lot of coffee. But anyways, let me stay on topic because y'all already know. What have I done differently this week? I've actually like really been committed to my goals. Even being on my period, I was like, bitch, I mean, girl, you're not gonna go off the wagon, you're gonna stay on it, boom, get it in. So I really think like if I wouldn't have been on my period, I would have had better numbers. So, you know, I think 10 pounds in 2 weeks, I think it's, okay, I'm not even gonna say that. So, yes, that's that. Oh, I've been drinking 100 ounces of water, which is a lot. And then, I also like to treat myself, y'all, H-E-B once again, Topo Chico, that's my drink. This is like, I have one of these every day. I normally like them in the glass because I just feel fancier. But yeah, I'm literally thinking as I go. And if you watch my videos, you already know that. I literally am a joke. I just like get before the camera and start talking. I think that's the most authentic way. Like literally guys, if I literally sat down before I recorded and was like, let me think about what I'm gonna say, it would be so boring. Not even boring, it would just be so like, hi guys, my name is Celeste, and today we're going to talk about, like, that's not even me, like, ever in life, even at work, like, this is my first time trying the one with no flavor. I normally get the lime and grapefruit, but this is actually pretty good. I love me some Topo Chico. Ooh, Judah, I do. Anyway, so yes guys, that was this week. Oh, something else I started too is every morning. So y'all know I go to 9 rounds, and one of my trainers, he's like so amazing. His name is Adrian. He used to be like really big. He lost all this like 100 pounds in a year of doing just that. He's like so motivational. Anyways, he was like, you know, you should do homework, like workout homework when you get home after leaving boxing classes. It's more like cardio. So he was like, you know, whatever the body parts that you want to work on, do 50 amounts. That doesn't make sense, but do like, how do I say this to make sense? Do 50 exercises for that body part. There we go. So you guys already know my main areas are my arms. These arms. These arms are a joke. My stomach. Not my waist, because my waist is like, she's a little snatched. Well, she's not that snatched. Anyways, let's not talk about that. But stomach and thighs, because these thighs is massive. Like, they ain't going nowhere. Y'all can't really see because it's like, the background is black, but these thighs is huge, so I don't know what's going on with that. But yeah, he told me that. So literally in the morning time, I wake up, I do 50 push-ups, and no. Actually, I honestly do see, like, I know I have like the saggy skin, but I have seen it like toning up a lot, and I like actually see like muscle coming in, so that's good. I've been doing that. Then I do like 50 squats, or I'll do like some type of leg exercise with the band 50 times, and then I do some type of ab thing for 50 times. So I've been doing that for a week now. Let me just say, starting your day off with exercise, it really gets you going, your mind going. It's pretty good though. I've really been trying to eat clean. I got this ice cream today because I just wanted it. Got some icy hot because my knees have been killing me. Yes, I thought I had something else in here, but oh. This is another thing I saw. I'm so sorry. This is supposed to be my like 6-week challenge. But anyways, I saw these. I just like giving tips, guys, because I'm always looking for a good tip, a good sweet snack that keeps me in keto. And it's good because I have a sweet tooth. Anyways, these Alyssa healthy vegan bites are delish. This is my first time getting them. I saw them on the keto blog and I was like, let me try it. So if you're looking for some keto, 2 cookies is 90 calories. Like, I'm here for it. So yes, guys, that was my week. I sound so crazy. Sometimes, like, I go back and watch my videos, right? And like, I really be laughing at my videos. Like when people are like, a lot of people say like, you're so funny, you're so funny. And like, I think I'm funny, but like, I don't know. I just laugh at myself a lot. And sometimes I just be thinking stuff and I'm like, girl, you're crazy. Anyways, what was I about to say? I just literally was thinking about a video that I had made. Oh, the saltwater cleanse video. I literally went back and watched that video and I was like cracking up. So anyways, that's neither here nor there. But I have to say one more thing. Oh, guys, I need new content. So I think I'm gonna try going vegetarian for 2 weeks, maybe 1 week, maybe 2 weeks, and my boyfriend says he's gonna do it with me, so that should be interesting. I already don't think he's gonna really stick to it, but you know, he said he would. Y'all, I'm really like shook by these like collarbones. I ain't getting ready for the summertime. And like that, like who does that? Anyways, I need some more videos, guys. So if you have something that you want me to do, weight loss related, it could be lifestyle too. Like if you guys have a face mask or something that y'all like, or a hair mask, y'all see my hair, She back to her natural hair. My hair appointment is next week, so I'll be back weaved up next weekend. Whoop whoop. Had to give my hair a little break. It's been about 2 weeks since she had her hair out, you know. I'm always down for a good weave, but we gotta, you know, let her hair breathe too, because we gotta have healthy hair in them tracks. So yes, I'm looking for some new content, guys. So if y'all have some video ideas, let me know. Let me know what y'all want to see, because I don't know. Yeah. So yes, once again, I lost 0.4 pounds this week, and I'm really proud of myself. So let me know how much y'all lost this week, because I'm dying to know. Y'all have been doing really good. Like when y'all put y'all's comments down, like I be watching them, I be reading, I be like, yes girl, you better. So keep it up, guys. I'm glad it's motivating y'all, because everybody's like, when they come, they're like, oh, this challenge is so motivating for me. I'm like, y'all have no idea how motivating it is for me, because I'm like, if I don't lose weight, I have to go on camera and show these people, like, and y'all already know I show my receipts, I like tell the truth, so it's just like nerve-wracking. So it helps me stay on, like, I'm good during the week, but the weekends I slack it. So y'all motivate me just as much as I motivate y'all. Actually, y'all motivate me more, because literally if it wasn't for YouTube, I probably would have never stuck to my weight loss goals. So yes, thank you guys for all the support. Like, we out here with 2,000 subscribers. Like, I'm shook, and we just doing it. So y'all keep doing it, keep losing them pounds, keep commenting, keep staying motivated, and just keep grinding, because you know what, at the end of 2019 we're gonna be snatched. We're gonna be snatch snacks. That's actually snatch snacks. Yes, but I will see you guys later. Bye.